Hey, Andrew. Did you know you can't use beef stew as a password? You're supposed to ask why.
Why?
It's not stroganoff. Yeah, I heard you. I fucking heard it. I got him. Yeah. I don't know if I've used this. I don't recognize the gun, but
time's against you. I hope you have a plan.
I got good hits on both of them, but I don't know if it's gonna be enough. No. Andrew, if they're running away from you, shoot at the guy who's shooting you! You didn't even look at him!
Gunfight.
Why is Jesus covered in paint? What did I just see?
All targets declared hostile. Happy hunting, Crimson. This is not how we drilled it. Get it together, Crimson. You're the last one standing. Finish the job. There's only one traitor left. Eliminate them.
I told you! Holy!
Someone's on fire.
Who, me?
Yeah.
No, unforgiven pain. I can't move. Oh, I'm hitting the wrong fucking button. That's why I can't move.
You're a kill team of one. Your head down and close.
What? What? Wait! I didn't hit reload, but it reloaded. I still would have killed them too. Fuck.
You shot one bullet and decided to reload.
Yeah.
You better find another gear, Crimson. They nearly have you. You're the last one standing.
What? Huh? Excuse me? What happened? I'm confused.
Just locked in.
I glitched on their screen. I wasn't walking. What? That's such bullshit. COD is fucking me in the ass today.
Delightful.
Pull this back or don't bother coming home. You're a kill team of one. Get down and close this out. One fugitive remains. Terminate with extreme prejudice.
Don't worry.
Now, hit them again before they mount a counter-offensive.
I told you I was goated, but we're going against similar goated people, so I'm having a good time. This isn't right.
The round's nearly over. Do not let them take this.
One's middle. I got a couple shots on another guy. What are you doing?
I thought I was on the Molotov, but I was on the binocular.
I've never ran my headset this high volume. I'm locking in. Andrew, what the fuck? Get brother. Why are you running right side without oh, okay.
How is he not dead?
Not how we drilled it. Get it together, Crimson. One fugitive remains. Terminate with extreme prejudice.
What?
Tomorrow you'll be
Alright, we need to lock in, pal.
Crimson bastards a lesson. This one's tight. Dig in and take it. Only one enemy standing. Find them. End them.
Play it safe, they have less health.
Squad couldn't handle the heat. It's all on you now.
They still have less health. My game froze! My game's freezing, what the fuck? God fucking damn it!
Find another way.
I just saw you glitching backwards and stuff as they're capturing the objective.
I still would have fucking won that too, what the fuck?
Gunfight.
What's funny is I saw you shoot him and then he turned around and looked the other direction, but you glitched backwards.
Moment of truth, Black Ops. You gonna stand up or roll over? You're our last chance. Don't fuck this up. One hostile left. Take that asshole down. Battles and wars, people. This shit's far from over.
Okay, when I'm not glitching out, I do fine.
Christian's got his gridlock. Make your fucking move. Only one enemy standing. Find him. End him. It's a start, but we ain't done yet. Squad couldn't handle the heat.
They both went.
It's all on you now.
Yeah.
You got those shit.
They're behind
on
you.
Their heels. Keep at it.
Or they were at least.
Hello there.
One hostile left. Take that asshole down.
Or I thought he was slick climbing the ladder like that.
We've taken the last 3 rounds.
It's not fucking camping, it's called an angle! Dumbass.
Only one enemy standing. Find him. End him.
Did you get the guy up top?
Situation screen. Don't let up.
Yes.
4 rounds
Good.
straight. Don't let up.
How is that an angle if you're just holding one spot the entire time?
I'm moving around, dumbass!
They just run out there, crazy, willy-nilly with a gun.
Gunfight.
They're just fucking salty.
They're just dumb.
No, for real.
People only hate camping because it's
That's
smart.
the boss. Now push him harder. You're our last chance. Don't fuck this up. One hostile left. Take that asshole down.
You cannot lose to these guys.
You're right.
Wow, he's below you to the right. I saw him when you were running past and he didn't fire a bullet at you. Throw a Semtex on the capture. Never mind.
That's 5 dubs. I like what I'm seeing.
You got nothing to say now, buddy, huh? I literally ran across the bar in front of you. How about you open your eyes?
Stop camping. Quit yelling.
Fucking.
Ah. Funny as hell.
You got those shitbirds on their heels. Keep at it. Only one enemy standing.
Yeah, I'm gonna run across for the fun of it. Is that camping, huh?
Black Ops.
Yeah.
Andrew, is this camping? No, it's honestly a goated gun for this. Bro's low.
Now it's almost over. Don't let him beat you. One hostile left. Take that asshole down.
Oh, right side, right side, right side. He's probably gonna go. Oh, nice, Andrew.
Good shit, Black Ops. Now get out
Andrew, you're camping. You're camping. You're camping.
fight.
I'm not sure that one qualifies as camping.
Well, did you see what he qualified as my camping?
You running across the bridge to go.
Only one enemy standing.
Nice.
Find him. End him. Situation
Oh,
screen.
he's in the
Hold
red
up.
room.
Squad couldn't handle the heat. It's all on you now.
Yep.
Yeah!
Damn coward.
Fuck no.
Another day in paradise, Black Ops.
Fuck, I couldn't. I was jumping through a window. I was fucked. That's alright. That's alright. No, it's fine. It's fine.
Some of the what?
The kegs.
Let him have it, Black Ops.
Beer? Did you ever, have you ever heard of beer before?
You're our last chance. Don't fuck this up.
No, I haven't.
Dog. Now push him harder.
Is the substance that you speak of.
One hostile left. Take
Nice.
that asshole down.
Where? Oh, you fucking fat. Glad my parents aren't home right now. Oh, they're fucked. We might be fucked too. It's single fire.
Squad couldn't handle the heat. It's all on you now. It's neck and neck. Put the hurt on him. Only one enemy standing. Find him. End him.
No, I didn't realize I had no ammo and the fucking level up thing fucking... Oh my god.
You are running out of time to prove your worth, Black Ops. One hostile left.
The other guy's so
Take that
fucking
asshole
low,
down.
dude. Andrew, can you hit a shot, please?
Hostile sighted.
Nah, yeah!
Good, keep us down
Woo!
forever.
You can shoot through the curtains? I mean, it makes so much sense, but it doesn't.
Let him beat you. Only one enemy standing. Find him.
He was going to middle. I think he might... I don't know where in middle, though. I didn't see him go up or down. He's probably middle. Like, I mean, capture. Oh, yeah. He's got to get capture anyway. I just don't know where he is. Nice, Andrew!
Weapons free, people. Lay some hate on them.
I got a couple hits, but one's still back, one's middle. Up the stairs on your right.
Tactical front.
They went inside middle.
One hostile left.
Nice.
Take that asshole down.
Taking a shot.
Yeah!
Row.
Holy shit, Andrew! I got a single headshot.
Stay the course, Black Ops. They weren't ready for you. You're our last chance. Don't fuck this up. Only one enemy standing. Find him. End him.
Yeah, fair enough.
It's alright.
We ain't done yet. That's the dog. Now push him harder. One hostile left. Take that asshole down. Crimson's falling back. Hell of a show today, Black Ops.
Easy.